Hi guys, it's Debbie, and today I'm making some cream cheese frosting for my gingerbread cookies, or you can use them for your regular sugar cookies, or whatever cookies you choose. But this is a cream cheese frosting. So what we need is 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And these come in 8 ounces, so I'm only going to use half. And I also want to let you guys know I have a shortening frosting recipe that's doing great. It seems to be picking up really good at the holidays especially. But yeah, so I hope you guys give this a try. Let me get everything set up and we'll get started. Okay, so let me get everything set up and we'll start making it. Okay guys, so what I did was I just took the cream cheese right out of the container and just cut it right in half, and I put it in this bowl, and then I just been beating it a little bit just so it's nice and soft before you start with the other ingredients. But you should take it out at least a good hour or two to have it at room temperature. So then we're going to put our two cups of confectioner sugar. This is a 2-cup measure. And we also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or whichever flavor you choose. And then we need 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. So I just put 2 tablespoons in there, and we're going to see how much we need, because you never know. So I put about a tablespoon in. We'll get started with that. Yeah. And then let me just get this started because I don't want it to go all over the place. Okay, so you got to get in there good and get all that cream cheese mix before you want to add more milk. And so I kind of got to do that off camera, but I'll show you where I'm at in a minute. Okay, so just keep going around and scraping your bowl down as you go. Sorry, there's a shadow, guys. It's getting dark out. Well, it's been dark out, with the time change. So just keep stirring and get a good consistency, and then see if you need a little bit more milk. Okay, so I think I'm going to need a little bit more milk, so I'm going to go ahead and add it. Just a little at a time, guys. And scrape down your bowl as best you can. All right, it's looking good. It just needs to be scraped down. It's still kind of thick, so I think I'm going to add some more milk. And then I'll show you after a little bit more milk. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit more milk. It's almost right where I want it. I just need it a little bit thinner. And I'm only making a small batch, guys. So you guys want to double this up. This is for my gingerbread cookies. But if you want, you can double this up and make a bigger batch. All right, guys, it's all set. We got a little milk left in the bowl, not much. So I did use 2 tablespoons, but it might depend. And it depends on how you like it as well. And I meant to say, when I put the powdered sugar in, I forgot to put in the pinch of salt. So I put in a pinch of salt. And this is like the consistency I'm looking for. And you can go thinner or thicker. It's up to you. And that's pretty much it. It's easy. It's simple. And I hope you guys give this a try. And yeah, I'll show you. I'm going to make some colors. And I'll show you what those look like. So it's all divided up. I've decided to use red, yellow, and green. So I just put a little red in. I don't really measure. Just put it in. With some yellow. And some green. And I'm going to leave 1 white. And I'm going to put my frosting recipe up in the corner so you can check that out. That's vegetable shortening Crisco frosting. And this is my cream cheese frosting. So yeah, so you just get these mixed up. I'm not going to be able to do this on camera, of course. But I'll get them mixed up and then I'll come back and show you guys, okay? Okay, so just stir it really, really good. Get down in the corners and make sure you get all the white so you can't see any more white. And I'll show you the consistency. Okay, and then I'm just going to put these in my refrigerator and they're all set to go. I think I'm going to do my cookies in the morning because it's getting dark. It's not really dark. It's only like 5 o'clock, but it's dark in here. So yes, I'm going to put all these in the fridge and Okay, yeah, so we're all done. And these go right in your fridge. You can either use them now. I'd let them sit for like, maybe 10, 15 minutes. And then give them a good stir. And then you could go ahead right now and use them now. Or you can put them in your fridge and take them out about 15 minutes, so a half hour before you're ready to use them. Give them a really good stir. Make sure it's real creamy. And okay, guys, I hope you try out this recipe. It's simple, it's easy, it's delicious. And I'm making gingerbread cookies, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already seen it, if it comes out, if the frosting comes out before the cookies, but the frosting recipe will be in with the cookies. So I just did this a little separate, so people who don't want to watch the cookies and they just want a quick recipe. So I got my gingerbread house, my gingerbread guy, and I got a little bonus little guy that came in a kit I bought years ago. Oh, and don't forget my little son's came with his little cooking set he had when he was little 30 years ago. I still have it, and I'm going to use that too. And my sprinkles. And I have a little ginger house guy, or house, and you put a candle in the back of it and light it up at nighttime, and it's beautiful, and the kids love it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Subscribe if you're new. If you like my video, hit the like button and come back for more. I got a lot more recipes coming. Thanks for joining me, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone, and of course, be safe, you guys, and be blessed.